Let's make this wonderful door swag. All right, I'm going to get started by taking a length of my Bowdabra bow wire and cutting it and folding it in half and laying it into my Bowdabra. I just lay it in across the towers going this direction. Then what I'm going to do, I'll put my Bowdabra wand aside. We'll go to the overhead camera and I'm going to start by taking my 21-inch wide mesh. I'm just going to pull it together and we'll fold it back in. And we're going to make a loop on each side. And this is going to be the base of our door swag. Now if you want to know how much ribbon I'm using, I'm probably using about a yard for this, but in the description on box underneath the video, we always have materials that we use, so you can find the ribbon that we use. And we don't sell the mesh, so I don't have links to the mesh, but you can definitely get the mesh anywhere that you would buy your 21-inch wide mesh. So here we go. Cut that without cutting the mesh below, and put my mesh to the side. And then what I'm going to do is take my flowers and lay those down in here. And we've just like hooked it so that it'll hook and hang down. And we're doing the same thing with this pick, so everything will hang down. And then with the sunflower, we've done the opposite. We've made the loop there so that it'll stand up. Then I have my sunflower ribbon, and we're just going to lay that down in here, and that's going to be our tails. Then we're going to make a traditional bow. So we're just going to twist and fold it back over and twist and fold and twist and fold and twist and fold and twist. So this is super simple, and for those of you who aren't familiar with me, I'm Sandy Sandler and I'm the creator of the Bowdabra, and I have over 1,000 videos on YouTube, and we have literally thousands of projects at bowdabra.com. So now what I'm going to do is take our ribbon, our brushed velvet ribbon. We're going to have one going up that way and the other part of the tail going down. We're creating an X, and we're going to do the same thing here where the tail comes down. And you can see it's basically forming right here in the Bowdabra, so I'm not going to have a lot of fluffing to do. And then I'm just going to fold and twist and fold, whoops, I didn't twist it, fold. And the reason that I fold and twist is I want the velvet side, not the lame side of this ribbon. But this is an absolutely beautiful ribbon. We're going to fold it and twist it and fold and twist. And actually, I think my loops, I want them a little bit bigger. So I'm going to have to start this again. I'm sorry, everybody. So we're going to go here and twist and fold and twist. And fold and twist. And then this last one I'm just going to lay right down in here. And I'm going to give everything a good scrunch. And we're going to end with a shoelace bow, which basically we just had dovetailed the ends, fold it in half, put the wrong side, right side of the ribbon down. I'm going to fold it over And again, I'm making my loops the same length as my other loops are. And again, I'm doing the same thing on this side, bringing this in here. Give everything another good scrunch down with my wand. And I'm going to take my wire, bring it up, pull it through my slip knot, and get my finger out of there. Pull it tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. Pull it out and separate my ends. Bring it around to the back. And just tie it off and knot it. I think I'll double knot it for good measure. And now we're going to shape our loops. And I fluff them by just kind of putting my fingers in them and fluffing it out. Same thing here. And this here. And again, we're just putting our hands in and fluffing it out. And again, you can see this whole thing was done with no glue, no sewing, just super simple. And we have this beautiful door swag that's wonderful for all of fall. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.